Hello and welcome. This is Varun, Technical Advisor, Design and Prototyping and Educational Consultant for Tutomash.com. In this session, we will be discussing about solid modeling in AutoCAD. Revolve is another important tool which we use in AutoCAD. It helps you to create a 3D solid or a surface by sweeping an object about an axis. Consider you have two circles like this. We can create a cross-sectional shape of a pipe by using region like this. Once you have done with the region, you can use the revolve command to revolve that shape about an axis to get an object like this. Now let's see these options in the software. Consider I have a circle like this and another circle like this of a different radius. The initial step that I will do is that I will do region. I will select the entire object and press enter. That means two regions already created. I will do the subtract from the outside object to the inner object like this to get a single object with a hole in the center. You can check your object by changing your visual style to shaded like this. Pretty better, right? As you have got the cross section of the object, now you can do the revolve. I will draw a line to get the axis according to my need. So the shortcut for revolve is REV and press enter. As the revolve command is activated, I will select the object to revolve. After selecting the object, I will press enter. Now it is asking to specify the axis start point, or you can select it as an object, or else you can give the default axis, that is X, Y, Z. So you can go with any of the inner commands, that is showing the start point and the end point. So I will start from here and give the end point like this. So now you can see that the revolve command is now activated and it is showing in real time. So you can give any angle according to your need. For the time being, I will give the angle as 270 and press enter. So now you can see that the revolve command made a tube-like object with inside hollow. You can make many custom shapes according to the cross-section of the shape and revolve it about the axis. So that's the end of this session, and we hope you understood well. Keep posting your queries and feedback, and for more videos, log on to www.tutomash.com. Thank you.